Hello students, welcome to the virtual class. Today we will continue Unit 5 Division and learn terms used in division. Terms used in division. Here you have given a division fact. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. The number to be divided is called dividend. Here 12 is dividend. The number which divides the dividend is called divisor. Here 3 is divisor. The result is called quotient. Here the result is 4. So quotient is 4. Let's solve some question of worksheet 5. Here you have given 4 columns. First column for division fact, second column for dividend, third column for divisor and the last column for quotient. Now see first part, 21 divided by 7. Now tell me how many times 7 is 21. For this recite the table of 7 till you reach 21. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So write 3 here. Now what is dividend? The number to be divided is called dividend. So here 21 is dividend. And what is divisor? The number which divides the dividend is called divisor. So 7 is divisor here. Now what is quotient? The result is called quotient. And what is the result? Here result is 3. So write 3 here. Now see second part, 18 divided by 2. Now tell me how many times 2 is 18. For this recite the table of 2 till you reach 18. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. So write 9 here. Now write dividend here, and what is dividend here? 18. Now write divisor, and what is divisor here? 2. So write 2 here. And what is the answer? 9. And quotient is the answer. So write 9 here. Now see next part, 35 divided by 5. First of all tell me how many times 5 is 35. For this recite the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35. So write 7 here. Now what is dividend? The number to be divided is called dividend. So write 35 here. Now what is divisor? The number which divides the dividend is called divisor. So write 5 here. And what is quotient? The result is called quotient. Here what is the result? 7. So write 7 here. Now see next question. Make the division fact for the following. Here you have given dividend which is 36, divisor which is 9, and you have to find quotient and division fact. First of all we will find quotient. How we will find quotient? Recite the table of 9 till you reach 36. Now 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. So write 4 here. Now write division fact. How you write division fact? Dividend is divided by divisor is equal to quotient. So 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4. Now see B part. Here you have given dividend which is 30, divisor which is 6, and you have to find quotient and division fact. First of all we will find quotient. For this we will recite the table of 6 till we reach 30. Now 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. So write 5 here. Now write the division fact. Dividend is divided by divisor is equal to quotient. So 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. Now this is your home assignment. Do this assignment in your book and learn tables up to 15. Thank you.